Safe Rest Premium Mattress Protectors offer you and your family peace of mind where it's needed the most, in your bed. We spend nearly 1/3 of our lives in bed, which is why protecting this environment is so important to achieving a well-rested, healthier night's sleep. Our premium line of advanced mattress protectors not only offer full protection against fluid spills, but also provide real health benefits. Did you know that over 60 million Americans suffer from daily allergy and asthma triggers caused by dust mites, pollen, mold spores, pet dander, and other allergens? Dust mite fecal matter has been proven to have a severe impact on our health and sleep quality. And according to the American Lung Association, 50 to 80% of asthma and hay fever cases are triggered by a reaction to these mites. These types of allergens can be found in almost every bedroom across America, creating adverse health issues, which is why reducing these allergens can help greatly improve our health and quality of sleep. Safe Rest's exclusive premium mattress protectors help reduce allergy symptoms by blocking allergens on the surface of the mattress from passing through, resulting in a cleaner, more allergy-free sleep environment for you and your family. Whether you have children or pets or suffer from allergies, asthma, rhinitis, or incontinence, our protectors can help. This, along with full protection against fluid spills and accidents, make our mattress protectors invaluable and a much-needed addition to any mattress. Each component of our premium mattress protectors was carefully designed and constructed to offer optimal benefits to the sleeper and the sleep environment. This begins with our use of premium cotton terry for the surface material, made up of thousands of loops, which naturally absorb moisture while keeping the protector completely noiseless. Once applied, our mattress protectors offer an undetectable layer of protection that will not change the feel of your mattress in any way. To prevent fluids along with dust mites, pollen, and other allergens from passing through the protector, we backcoat the cotton terry with a hypoallergenic membrane layer. This advanced breathable coating also keeps your mattress cool by allowing air vapors to pass through while repelling any liquids, much like the characteristics of our skin. For the perfect fit, our protectors are applied like a fitted sheet, using an elasticized sizing band at the base of the protector that pulls in any excess material, giving you the perfect fit for virtually any size mattress. Apply or remove the protector with just one person, and for easy maintenance, our protectors are fully machine washable and can be dried on the low heat setting. To demonstrate our commitment to quality, each Safe Rest protector is backed by a 10-year full replacement warranty, and they're registered with the FDA as a Class 1 medical device. Experience well-protected, healthier sleep for you and your family with the Safe Rest Premium Mattress Protector.